Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. So here we got some more examples. Example number 3 is specifically of an improper fraction we're going to convert into a mixed number, right? So when we left off, I was explaining how every fraction is a division problem. 15 divided by 4. And another way you can write that, as you see down here, is 15 divisor bar 4. All right. And so we're going to continue to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. So take a look here. I've highlighted the 4 for a purpose. And if you've missed some of my other part videos, 19, 18, 17, then you're wondering, why is this highlighted? Well, the denominator, original denominator, stays the same throughout the problem, all the way to the end of your solution. So, again, 15 is top heavy. That's called an improper fraction. This fraction's top heavy, right? 15 divided by 4. You can rewrite that as you see down here. What is the first step you're going to take? If you said you're going to find a number to multiply times 4 that gets me closest to 15 without going over 15, you're absolutely right. I know 4 times 4 is 16, so that's bigger than 15. I can't use that. 4 times 3 gives me a product. That's the answer to a multiplication problem of 12. I'm going to subtract that product from my target of 15. 15 minus 12 is 3. So I have a remainder of 3. Given this information you see here, you're going to use everything you see in here one way or another in order to create your mixed number fraction. Now, I've already highlighted the 4. That's the denominator I'm showing you here. Take a moment, pause, rewrite the improper fraction as a mixed number. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see here, the number above the divisor bar will be our whole number 3. The remainder is going to be your new numerator, 3. The numerator is the top number. And the denominator, the original denominator 4, will stay the same. So 15 fourths as a mixed number is 3 and 3 fourths. So hopefully this is making things a little bit clearer on how to convert mixed numbers, improper fractions into mixed numbers. I have a few stop and pause you try coming up. I think I created 3, maybe 4 problems for you. So join me in part 21 video. Well, we'll be working on, or you will be working on, converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. Stick around for part 21 video.